Oh yeah, you're really getting old.
Yeah.
You going through puberty?
Huh?
Are you going through puberty? Yep.
My hair is gonna get all over my face.
Do you have hair? Do you have hair on your wiener penis too?
No.
No.
Do you have hair on your wiener penis?
Sure. Hey,
I got hair on my leg right here. What?
I think you're a little pretty princess.
I'm not a pretty person. I'm a manly man.
Whoa, you are a manly man.
I am. I got hair on my leg because I'm a manly man.
Do you have hair on your face? Did you shave today?
No.
Do you have hair on your face?
No, I didn't shave. I shaved my lip right here.
Your lip? You had hair on your lip?
No. Did you get the hair all over your lip?
I have hair on my lip. Do you have hair on your chest?
No. On my leg I do.
Cool.
Cause I'm getting a guy. Look, I got hair on my leg. Look, I got hair on my leg.
Let me see it.
Look.
Whoa. That is a good hairy leg.
Let me see.
You must be really tough.
Let me see the picture
Okay.
of my leg.
Okay.
What